This is Priyam from Team Miss Malini, and I have again the beautiful Swara Bhaskar in the house. Never have I ever. Every time you have done something, 2 thumbs up. Every time you haven't, 2 thumbs down. Okay, and you cannot lie. You don't lie. You're intelligent and like social and all of those things.
No, I don't trust you at all. I've had a sample of your questions and games in the yes.
No, these are all very nice, harmless. Like
they family questions?
always family.
said fuck twice in this interview.
always family audience. These are like I was answering these questions when I was 10 years old. Like this is very harmless.
This thing is live now and then it'll never be seen again.
No, yeah, oh yeah.
Or will it go into some
No, of course it'll YouTube, bro.
Oh man.
Get with it, it's
Okay.
2016.
I'm a tech jahil, by the way. I don't know a shit about technology. I can basically operate Twitter and Facebook and Instagram.
Which is better than most
And now I
people.
refuse to get Snapchat. Like my friends are like, bro, you have to be on Snapchat as well. I'm like, oh yeah, Insta story. I haven't started using that, by the way. Okay.
Never have I ever, question number 1. Never have I ever done anything illegal. Just thumbs up, man.
I mean, is breaking a light illegal?
Breaking is
Like
yeah.
traffic
Yeah.
signal? Okay.
I was going yes.
I-
Sir. Is there stuff?
Traffic police.
Is there stuff you've done illegally that you have no idea about?
It could be. I'm like, was that illegal? Does that qualify as? But no, I've broken a couple of lights and all. Signal, thoda hai.
Never have I ever made out in a public place, and a set doesn't count.
What is the one for I have? I hate this game already. I don't want to talk about it. No, I don't want to talk. I don't want to talk about all the places.
All the places there have been more than
Look,
one.
India is a democracy, okay? I intend to take full advantage of the democratic freedom that we have of movement and association.
ये कहीं और जा रहा है. अच्छा, never have I ever used my celebrity status to get something or to get out of something.
I have. To get a passport.
Wow.
Yeah, it was amazing. It was the best thing ever. I didn't have to wait at all. I got my passport in like 5 minutes.
And it worked.
It was the coolest. And they had written on my that I saw the file and it said VVIP person is actress of great preeminence. I was like, this is amazing. Great also, preeminence also.
Everything. What else do you want? Okay, never have I ever called a baby cute when it obviously wasn't that cute.
I do this all the time, bro. All the bachas, I'm like, yeah. In my head, I'm thinking, what is this? मेरे गोद में क्यों डाला है?
Okay, never
Have I done everything? Have I not shown a?
You're performing very well right now. You have not.
I'm basically I'm telling the world that I'm a criminal. Like I'm a perverted criminal who makes out in public.
Which is all of us really. Stars, they are just like us. Okay, never have I ever praised a film I didn't really understand.
Shitting me all the time, dude. This is why I don't like to go to screenings
No one else accepts that.
because I'm only telling lies all the time. I'm an ace liar. If I ever tell, any other actor is going to be watching this possibly.
Never. No one watches this. Say no.
So bad. No, I'm always lying. Look, honestly, there's a reason for that, which is that most people can't take criticism. And not on the day of screening. It's not the place for it. It's not the forum for it. People won't take it. They'll just feel hurt. I know how much effort goes into making a film. So why should I be a little dick about like this? And also that why should I, most people are going to be offended. So why should I ruin my relation with you? And yeah, you could be a director or producer I'll potentially be coming to work for. So then of course, I mean, even if they don't make a good film, it's just enough that they are giving me that work. I'm cool with that also. Occasionally, gandhi films bhi karni chahiye. So yeah, man, no. I only tell the truth to people who deserve to know the truth.
And who are receptive to this.
And who are receptive to it. And definitely my truth. I'm also always lying about where I am, the location, as Isha from Woot knows very well.
She's coming across as full psycho, I just have to say. Okay.
You only ask for lies and all this, like, tell the truth.
Okay. And never have I ever showed up on the sets high or hungover.
Hungover.
More than one.
I have only once. I remember we were shooting in Goa, and it was my then boyfriend's birthday the night before. So we were all partying and we were drinking, and I had a 5 a.m. flight. So at 4:30 or 4:15, everyone was suddenly like, I was like, I have to go to the airport, guys, stop this music and all. So like a bunch of them got into the car or into the taxi, and then they drove me took me to the airport and dumped all my bags outside. And I felt so ashamed because like this is a horrible story. when we had to check in, there were people who were like leaving the line because I was smelling of alcohol. So they were just like, isn't she the actress? Isn't she that? And I was just like, oh my god. And I sit in the flight and I'm just telling this woman's like, can I get you something? And I'm just like, water, like lots of water. So yeah. And I have a 7 a.m. shift in Goa, so.
Nice. So it continued. We have to party together after this story. Like, this is amazing.
I think this may be my career destroying interview.
That's not
This
true.
may be my career destroying
That's
interview.
not true. You're just 2 answers away from winning. Like,
Do I get something? I don't see that coffee with Karan Hamper and I'm not seeing anything. I'm seeing this blue chair, this
you
chair.
didn't have a budget.
Do I get to take a chair home? I'm
Yeah, if you can carry it
redecorating.
downstairs,
I'm redecorating my house. Can I take a chair home?
If you can carry it down, you can. Okay, second last question. Never have I ever. I think this is a thumbs down, but I don't know. I don't know. Because never have I ever thrown a tantrum on sets.
Isha sitting right here.
So you can't lie.
Well, what's a tantrum?
Like something a little frivolous.
Okay, I have, but I totally deserve to do it because there was, and you judge me for yourselves, guys.
Do tell someone,
Yes. So I was doing a film where it was bitterly cold, and there was some fight that happened. We were waiting for the lighting to happen, and there was a fight that happened between an actor and one of the spot boys, and this actor threw chai in the spot boy's face. Okay. I have never exploded in the way in which I did because I think that it is absolutely not acceptable to treat people in that way. To treat anybody, more so if they're people who are in a position that is lesser than you. You cannot treat them with disrespect or badly. What a shit fit I threw. So yeah, that was my tantrum.
Well, that's well deserved. We like that tantrum. And finally, Swara.
Say, have you ever murdered someone?
Okay, have you ever murdered someone? Swara?
No, I really haven't, guys. I'm a good person. Okay?
She's lying. She just told
Fuck
you.
you, no, I've never murdered anyone.
She just said she's a good liar. No one's buying that after this. No one is buying this. Never have I ever lied during this interview.
So what? This is
Yeah.
I've not lied. So that's
Yeah.
yeah.
Never?
No, but ask me
Never
something.
is a- Okay, what should I ask you? Never have I ever stolen from someone? I feel like you'll thumbs up. No, wait. Never have I ever.
We were all stolen. Okay, when we were children. No, what is it? You can't think of any question that I've not done, is it?
Never have I ever had a threesome. Oh shit, I don't know. What is this?
Oh my god. I have not, and this is a disgusting question. I refuse to answer it.
Okay,
Look, now
never-
now I'm genuinely embarrassed.
Never have I ever. Seriously, tell me something. What have you
I'm
not
leaving
done?
this interview. I'm walking out of this interview right now.
Never have I ever
Harmed small animals.
harmed small animals or any animals.
Yeah, I have never. Or hunted
Yeah.
or killed anyone, animal or person. What else?
Nice, lots of thumbs down.
Yeah. Never have I ever. This interview is over. Thank you, guys.
Finally, before we wrap this up, a final message to all your fans of Miss Malini who send in so much love each time we write a post about you, and one reason why we should absolutely watch It's Not That Simple.
You should watch it.
After all that.
Yeah. Well, you should watch It's Not That Simple because it's really fun. It's relatable. It could be you would enjoy it, and you would see a whole bunch of stuff that I have never ever done on screen before. And to everyone who is so sweet to me on Miss Malini with all your nice comments, thank you. Keep sending them, and genuinely don't listen to her. I'm a good person. I'm a nice person. I'm sweet. I'm genuinely a nice person. I'm not sick in the head. No, I'm not. Even though I sound like.
I feel like if you to say it so many times, everyone would have believed you 30
Could be
seconds.
the most disastrous interview I've ever given in my life.
But like
you know?
in a fun sort of nice way.
Yeah, whatever. It's going to be great fun when I'm jobless. So who cares if it was fun when I'm jobless? This is the worst.
She had lots of fun, she told me. Right?
I have had fun.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Should we high five again?
Whatever. Is that the new cool thing
Yeah.
to do?
Should we
You
fist
see
bump
all the-
also?
It's kind of creepy, no? Like being like Kanye West when you're
just
not.
like-
Yeah, like.
Okay, we are wrapping up. Thank you everyone for joining in. If you missed watching us, you can watch the whole thing on YouTube and Instagram and everywhere. We are everywhere. This is going everywhere. Bye.
Bye, guys. Bye. Buzz off. If you liked watching this video, which I think you might have because it's always so fun to watch other people behave like asses, then hit like and subscribe.